I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, and I came all the way out here to show you that there is a new way to order cars. And I can do it from right here, or I can do it from right here on my couch inside of my house. Again, I'm not in a dealership right now. This is a great place. It can even get crazy that you can order cars with Amazon Autos in somewhere like this. Or even right here, I can use Amazon Autos to order a car. It's a little more wet. Let's go back to the desert. Okay, we are back. This is a lot drier than where I just was and a lot warmer and a lot more sunshine. I'm grateful to Amazon Autos and Hyundai because they sponsored this video. Okay, let's be honest. When you saw the title of this video and you saw the words Amazon Autos, didn't you immediately think of something positive like, oh, I like cars, I like buying cars, and I like Amazon. That'd be really cool if I could order cars through Amazon.com. Because the things that I think about are convenience, saving time, all of those things that a lot of times aren't associated with the car purchasing process. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you everything that I know about Amazon Autos and Hyundai and their partnership in order to be able to order cars, research cars, and buy them. But first, let's get out of here and go find civilization and go find a car. We are still out here in the Red Rocks of Southern Utah, but as you can see right in front of you, that is a Hyundai Santa Fe, and this is a car I've been driving for the last week. In 2025, for the first time, Hyundai dealers will be able to sell cars in Amazon's online store. Through this digital shopping experience, it'll make it easier for customers to apply for financing, see available rebates, review their order, and then head to the dealership to be able to pick up their keys and take their vehicle home. My first experience with the dealership was when I was 1 year into marriage. I was 22 years old, my wife was 25 years old. I'll never forget spending an entire Saturday at the dealership. How do you buy one of these, and how is it more straightforward and transparent than maybe some of the other ways that you would buy a vehicle? Hyundai let me borrow this car. I did not buy this car. When you go to Amazon Autos homepage, you can start your search by clicking on the available cars. Currently, the partnership is with Hyundai, so the cars that you're going to be seeing are going to be Hyundai cars, because when you scroll down through the page to look at the available cars, it has all of the information on the vehicle. It has the VIN number on there, the color of the exterior, the color of the interior. This is a Hyundai Santa Fe. Beautiful car. You can sort and filter the entire page based off of the exact car that you want with the options that you want. On the left side of the Amazon Autos page, you can see the different options. Do you want a 5-seater, a 6-seater, a 7-seater? Rather than stand in a dealership and be a little uncertain about like what the actual costs are gonna be for this car, when you're on Amazon Auto searching, it does show you the different state taxes, federal taxes, the fees for the different options that are built into this exact car. It'll say carpeted floor mats, $210. Check. This Serenity white leather is an additional $470. But the other question is, what cars can you buy right now on Amazon Autos? Well, here are 10 Hyundai vehicles that are ready to be purchased right now. Number 1, the Hyundai Santa Fe, this vehicle right in front of me. Number 2, the Hyundai Palisade. Number 3, the Hyundai Kona. Number 4, the Hyundai Elantra, the Hyundai Venue, the Hyundai Sonata, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Hyundai Ioniq 6, the Hyundai Santa Cruz, and the Hyundai Tucson. This is the first step in a big journey for Amazon. While these are the first 10 right now, Amazon is working on adding more cars, more types of purchasing options like leasing. They're adding more dealerships. Amazon and Hyundai partnership is actually really cool, and I've really liked driving this Hyundai Santa Fe over the last week, but I am excited to see what additional things they add in the future. You've found the car that you like. Now you want to purchase it. How do you purchase it, and how do you pick it up? If you're gonna be paying for this car in full, paying with cash, the first thing you would do once you identified that car that you want is you make a $500 deposit using a credit card or a debit card on Amazon.com. And then you pay the rest of the amount with a wire transfer or a cashier's check. A dealership with the car that you purchased is going to let you know exactly how to make that payment and how they prefer it. If you'd like to finance your car, Amazon Autos does offer financing loans through Hyundai Motor Finance. You can use their calculator to estimate your financing through that checkout process. So whether you're gonna finance it or you're gonna pay cash, those options are available on there, and they're pretty straightforward. And one of the things that sometimes at dealerships they talk to you about in the checkout process is extended warranty or gap insurance or maintenance plans. This stuff is available through the checkout process on Amazon Autos so that you can choose which options you want, and that way when you do get to the dealership to pick up the car, all of that stuff should all be set up, and you know going into that what my price is gonna be, what my options are gonna be, taking away some of that guesswork and the haggle that you may have typically when you go into a dealership. Okay, so you bought a Hyundai on Amazon Autos. What does the pickup process look like? you schedule your pickup appointment with the Hyundai dealership to sign all the documents. Let's go back to me 22 years ago when I bought my car in a dealership. If you remember, I spent hours there that day going through the purchase process for my vehicle. Well, there are two pickup options with Amazon Autos and Hyundai. The first one is the standard pickup process, and it takes about 75 minutes to complete it. You show up at your scheduled time for your appointment, and your Amazon advisor will give you a full walkthrough on the exterior and the interior of the vehicle, and then give you the keys and take you on a guided drive, you to get a feel for how the car drives. I mean, you've seen this car on Amazon Autos, but you haven't actually driven in it and felt it and looked at it. So important step of the process, drive it, look at the interior and the exterior. After you're done with your drive, you come back and you sign the documents. From there, you connect your phone to the My Hyundai BlueLink app, and you drive off with your new car. 75 minutes, convenient, transparent, you know what you're getting. Yes, you're picking your car up from a Hyundai dealership, but because all the decisions are mostly made, it makes the process seem really smooth. And if 75 minutes is too long for you, you can do the shortened version of the appointment that takes about 45 minutes, where you do the exterior walkthrough, the interior walkthrough, and you just skip the orientation drive, sign the documents, connect to the My Hyundai BlueLink app, and then you drive away. 75 minutes or 45 minutes at a dealership sounds pretty good to me. With Amazon Autos, you can trade in a qualified used car to go toward the purchase of your brand new Hyundai. Once you answer the trade-in questionnaire about your vehicle and its condition, you will see an instant value that will be priced into the purchase of your new Hyundai. And the good thing is, while you're shopping on Amazon Autos, looking at the different Hyundais, if you change your mind and you're like, you know what, I don't know if I want the Hyundai Santa Fe, I think I want the Hyundai Ioniq 6, you can still use the value of that trade-in toward a different vehicle. The valuation is good for 7 days and could be used toward any available car on Amazon. And I'm truly excited to see where Amazon Autos goes over the next couple of years with the selections, with the options, with the vehicles, with the partnerships with dealerships. More transparency and more ways to purchase vehicles that's easier for you and me, the consumer, I think is a good thing. So bring it on, Amazon Autos, and let me know in the comments what you guys think about Amazon Autos and Hyundai. We'll see you next time.